Hello, traders. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on gold, I was thinking that we were in three waves of B right now. I was thinking that the wave B of B was potentially already started, but I mean, this could possibly be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I could see it going down and making a new low again on the sort of time frames. But if it really is in a wave B, then I would expect it to do something like that. And then I would expect it to go down probably like this. And then I would expect, maybe next week or something, a brand new uptrend like that for the A, the B, and the C, which I think is an ABC of B, or I think it's a WX. So an ABC of X, right? Three waves of W, three waves of X, or three waves of BA, three waves of B, and a big ABCDE, or a WXYXZ pattern. Either way, going down to the shorter time phase, I still got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because if it does turn at, the 78 or the 88%, make a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would still take it as a long. Like I said, if we're really in a wave B, then I think it needs to go up to the 50 or possibly even the 61%. So if it breaks below here, then obviously that tells me that this analysis is not correct. If it breaks below this 100%, then I guess this is probably a wave forward, and then it's probably going to go down, make a double bottom for like a wave 5, and this would be a 3, like I showed on the daily. But like I said, if it's really already in the wave B of B, which I think it could be, then I think it's going to go to the 50 or the 61%. The 50% is right around 4,701.29. The 61% is right around 4,745.32. So keep an eye on your structure, and as always, definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci levels. They should help you trade in the correct direction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.